Hi guys, in this video I'll share some last Z survival shooter tips and tricks which you can use to maximum your skills and avoid the damage and you can enjoy the game. Now first of all, step one is just make sure you do a proper movement and dodge the bullets, or you can say the zombies attacks, and go to left and right, give a proper damage, and you will be able to basically dodge the damage and amplify your damage to them as well. Basically this is one of the things that you can do, and the second thing that you can do is basically work on your shields or work on your houses, or you can say the covers that you keep building with time. Upgrade the characters as well. Keep going left right to avoid, as you can see like I'm doing as well right now. So make sure to keep them moving, so avoid, you can just avoid the maximum damage. Otherwise the weekly events are coming inside the games, you can just enjoy those events as well, and they will give you some free diamonds which you can use to otherwise upgrade the character, or you can say build some covers or shields. You can just use them, and these are some simple tips and tricks. So make sure to try them, practice the game more as you can. As you become a player, the more you play the game. So that is one of the main tips that you can say. And some basic things are, I've given you some sure you can say the diamond tips, some dodging tips, and these are some tips and tricks which you can use to enjoy the game and use it whenever you like.